This brand is made in China for Nipo Appliance USA Inc. and is available online in the USA at Walmart, Amazon, and the Home Depot, but the guarantee on the units is minimal. The AP0110C units are for cooling only and have only 2 fan speeds with stationary louvers, which does not circulate the cool air throughout the room as good as brands with oscillating louvers. The APE514H models provide heating as well as cooling, and all of the units use self-evaporating technology where the condensate from the air conditioner is used to cool the condenser coil, which helps the efficiency and minimizes the need to empty a condensate pan. The units only use a single hose, which is less efficient as conditioned air is constantly being removed from the room and is replaced by outside air, which then needs to be conditioned. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.